Before I start the video, guys, I want to give you a little update on what's going on with the channel. I have changed the name to My Name's Zeph Cruz because we are going to be moving forward and transitioning this channel and to be able to make more valuable content for you guys. Don't be alarmed. We are going to still be making car content. Cruz Custom is just going to be its own separate business entity in the background of everything that we do on our daily basis and our daily lives. So we're going to do more lifestyle, we're going to do more car content, and everything's going to be involved with each other to have more well-rounded and more valuable content brought to you guys. So with that being said, this will be officially the last Cruz Customs video there is, and we're going to be moving forward from now on and to be able to make more valuable content. So since you guys are here and you guys do enjoy watching the videos, don't be alarmed. Please go down there, drop a like, and subscribe if you are new, and get ready for the new videos that are going to be coming out and that are going to be uploaded. They're going to be amazing and they're going to be fun to watch. So let's go ahead and get into this video. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Zeph from Cruz Customs back here for another video. Now today marks day one of the budget build Jetta. Well, we're just gonna call it the budget build. It's the budget build, but it's a budget build Jetta. That's what we're doing. So today marks day one. Basically today we're doing the biggest modification that changes the car's looks based off of one thing: the suspension. Because with an old car like this, and especially being a Volkswagen with the way the suspension is set up, the struts and the control arms tend to go bad on the vehicle. So today we are going to be replacing all of those. We can't just replace it with ordinary regular OEM parts, you know what I'm saying? So we're obviously going to do aftermarket coilovers just to drop the car and make the car look a lot better, you know what I'm saying? We got a big video today. We're actually going to try to do a coilover challenge as well. Today we are installing Raceland coilovers. Now there's a lot cheaper options out there. Like Baby Blue is running on RSK coilovers, which are about $200. The Beetle itself is running on $200 Raceland coilovers. So these are $600 coilovers. These are actually very high. I actually got these off of the car that we took the motor out of to swap into Blue a while back, so I have them sitting around. But today we're going to be installing those and dropping the car and making it look a lot better, and especially changing out those control arms, because if you guys know, Volkswagen Jettas have a very bad control arm problem that go out after, I want to say, like a decade and a half, you know what I'm saying? Those tend to go bad, which lead the car to have jolting on the front wheels when you go to brake or when you go to speed up. It kind of messes up everything. So we're going to replace those, make the suspension tight again, and make sure everything's good. So let's go ahead and get outside and start on this budget build Jetta. So here's the car right here. It is still stock height, which is not a good thing. It's not a good look. So we're going to change that up today. We're going to get all this stock suspension off and put aftermarket suspension on. Front control arms are going to be replaced as well in the process, so we're going to deduct that from the time. Because I've had these coilovers sitting in this car for probably the past like 2-3 months, I want to say. And basically we got two rear struts right there, we got the two front coilovers right there, and in this box we have the rear coilovers, which are the spring and the adjustments. So that's what's going to be going on this white Jetta. It's going to be lower, it's going to be dropped, it's not going to look as ugly anymore, and hopefully it changes the looks. So as you guys can see, these are Raceland coilovers. They kind of do look like they would be some Tane coilovers. It's basically the same colorway as the Tane coilovers, but these are Raceland coilovers. These are the grade up from what is on that car, and that car right there has RSK. So those are very cheap eBay $200 coils. Those are going to be the $300 Racelands, and these are going to be the $600 Racelands. Are really good suspension parts. They might be a little bit messed up because they were on a different vehicle. They're a little bit used, but all that stuff can be fixed, and they're going on this stock height fistable Jetta. You know what I'm saying? Fistable. So guys, I ended up finishing the back. The camera ended up dying, so I had to go put it on the charger real quick. But I finished up, went and grabbed it, just to show you guys, 22 minutes, got the back done. Man, I've done this way too many times, so at this point it's a little bit easier now knowing what I'm doing, but I should probably stop that. 22 minutes is what it took to be able to get this rear done. I actually got wheels from the car that we took all the stuff out for Baby Blue. I'm gonna go grab those real quick so we can throw them on the back. And just like that, guys, the tires on the rear are on both sides. Let me show you the other side real quick. As you guys can see, on as well. Time to lower the back and start on the front. I'll restart the timer when I go ahead and start taking stuff off the front, but we're just gonna lower this and see how we get. Oh, and for this challenge, it's a one-man job right now. It's not multiple people working on the same car. It's me doing this all. So cut me a little bit of slack. She's actually sitting really nice. I got to give time for the coilovers to set a little bit because they've been out of the car. They've decompressed. So, I mean, for now, like, it doesn't look bad at all. Like, sheesh. It's actually some good fitment. Before it was a full fist. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, not even a finger. Well, a finger, but not two fingers like this. Yeah, because need some spaces to bring the wheels out. But other than that, like, ugh. Yeah, that shit looks nice. Time to start the front. Let's go ahead and pull the timer back out. We're at 22:40 right now. We'll see what happens when we go. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Okay guys, I forgot that the time was rolling and I forgot to record, but coilovers all in on this side. I also even changed the control arm. I mean, it's loose, but I changed it because I forgot the time was rolling. But we're at a time of 1:16, 22, 23. It's gonna keep moving. I'm gonna stop it now. Pretty good for one person, but the suspension on these Volkswagens are very easy, very simple to do, especially if you're rushing it. So I'm gonna finish up these control arms, throw them on. I already got one of them on. I'm gonna throw the other side on, and then we're gonna put the wheels on, lower the car, and see how it looks. Let's go. All right guys, just finished up everything on the car. Control arms are in, everything's buttoned up, everything is tightened. So I'm so exhausted. It's been hot as hell all day, and I'm out here dirty as hell as always, and my ears are popped. I'm dehydrated. I don't know how. I've been drinking lots of water, so I'm ready to get this wheel on, put it on the car, and call it a day, because I just want to relax now and just kick back and enjoy life. But we still need to put this tire on and then commence an edit to see what the car looks like with everything said and done. So let's get into it. All said and done, now it's time to go ahead and lower the car to see what the fitment looks like. I think I'm as ready as I'll ever be to see how this car is gonna look, because I've spent all day trying to perfect what I was doing. So let's go ahead and lower this car and get an idea of what it finally looks like. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, time for an edit. Now guys, since the edit is done, final thoughts. Car looks great for what it is. Wheels came out looking pretty decent on the car, even though we gotta fix that because we cannot deal with that no more. And coilovers came out very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Dropped the car, made it look good. So that's the final product. Not bad for a shabby daily driver, but yeah, that's the final product. She looks good. But hope you guys did enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. It has been your boy Zeph from Cruise Customs. I'm out. Peace.